I'll get calls from Singapore or Malaysia. These are people that I probably would never come in contact with. My name is Jeff Taylor. I'm Senior Vice President, Fleischman Hillard Government Relations, FHGR. My aha moment was when someone who was on LinkedIn called me and said, "Do you do patent work?" He wanted to know about electrical patents. We do have an electrical patents person downstairs. I said, "I'll have this gentleman call you back, sir. What's your telephone number?" He gave me the telephone number. I walked downstairs to my colleague and I said, "Listen, don't spend all that much time with this person. This is not a billable hour." So about 2 hours later, he goes, "I just got off the phone with that gentleman." And I said, "Good grief, you didn't spend 2 whole hours." He goes, "Oh yeah, I spent 2 whole hours with him." "I told you not to do that." He goes, "He just gave us $250,000 worth of patent work." And I went home that night. I just started connecting with everybody I possibly could. I started reaching out to some of these companies that are perhaps Fortune 500 companies. I'd start to get some very interesting feedback. I'm working on a California company right now that I just simply sent a general representation. I'd like to represent you in Washington. They came back saying, "Jeff, we don't need a representative." And then they said, "But we have a major event coming up in Washington. It has to do with security items. We need a sign-off from Homeland Security, Defense Department, Justice Department, and we have no idea how to do that. Is that what you do?" That's the drop of gold you're waiting for.